Hey guys, in today's video, we're doing a compressor showdown. If you're new here,
yes,
welcome to my channel and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see these kids become good mechanics, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. So today, I've got my assistants here to help me. We're going to be putting 3 compressors up against each other. We're going to be putting my onboard air system up against my old red air compressor. This just connects to the battery. Up against one of those cheap ones that you can buy from Walmart.
and there's 2 of these.
There's 2 of those. So first things first, I gotta deflate some tires. So now that I've got 3 flats, I'm gonna go ahead and hook up all the compressors and we're gonna see which one fills up faster. Now these are 31-inch tires that I'm running here, and we're just gonna air them up to about 40 PSI. All right, so let me show you guys what I got going here. So off of this tire, give me a while. So off of this tire here, I have my onboard air setup. Off of this front tire here, I have this cheap Walmart slime compressor that I bought. And on tire number 3, we have my red compressor. And I'm going to try to get them all started about the same time. All right, it's go time. All right, it's go time. I'm going to fire this up and we're going to get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to start our red compressor and the slime compressor at the same exact time. And then I'm going to run over and I'm going to start using the onboard air. Go! Looky over here. Alright, we just reached 40 on my Viair compressor. And as you can see, the little guy's struggling, but it's gonna get there. I think I'm gonna turn it off.
Is that tire still flat?
So as you can see, my Viair compressor definitely outperformed. Now the little red compressor that I use, it was right behind the Viair onboard air system. But as you can see, that little guy is just struggling. It only made it up to about 15 PSI right now, and I don't have all night to be out here. Overall, I'm really impressed with how the Viair compressor worked. I'm really happy with it. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. As always, don't forget to subscribe. You can check me out on TikTok at It's Project Venture, as well as Instagram at It's Project Venture. Thanks for watching. If you want these kids to grow up to be good mechanics, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. You gotta give it a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, like that. Thumbs up. You gonna come over here and give it a thumbs up?